What's up, everybody? We're gonna be going downtown where I live, downtown Bay City. We're gonna be doing, well, you'll see what we'll be doing, but we're going down there. It's 9:22 right now. We have roughly 40 minutes until the show starts, so you guys already kind of know what it is, but yeah, we're gonna go down there. It's about a 10-15 minute show. The fireworks, and we're gonna be going there, try to get some cool shots. We're gonna be riding the bike today. I got my backpack on. Got the camera, it's gonna be around my neck. And yeah, let's do it.
Why are you looking at me so crazy, baby? Why are you looking at